Now, what type of paper should you use to print out an obituary? I get this question a whole lot, and there's really no definite answer to it. I can suggest a few ideas, but ultimately you're going to want to go to a place where you can feel different types of papers and decide for yourself. And that's going to be a place like FedEx Office, or if you have a local printer near you that might be a little less expensive, then you can check them out and see if they have paper samples that you can feel up close and personal. But I can give you a good starting point. And on that, I would say that it depends on your budget. You can definitely just use a regular sheet of copy paper, which is the paper that's used as a standard piece in almost every printer you come across. A lot of funeral programs are printed on copy paper, and that's totally fine. Usually these funeral programs are designed where the main color is white, so it's a big budget saver on ink as well as paper. Now, there's a downside to this, and that is that copy paper might rip or tear much easier and age much faster in general, and it doesn't look as premium as the other types of funeral programs. So if you want a fancier look and something a little more durable, then you can use a glossy type of paper, which oftentimes is referred to as 100-pound gloss. And 100-pound gloss kind of feels like a magazine cover, so it's pretty nice for full color obituaries. Now, there's a downside to this one too, because now you're printing with a more expensive sheet of paper, and it can add up pretty quick if you're doing double-sided 8-page programs. Now, I don't know if print prices stay consistent from state to state, but if I had to guess, I would say that this costs like anywhere between $1.25 and $2 per sheet on 100-pound glossy paper. Now, you can take this a step further, and you can use glossy cover paper, which is going to be a little thicker. It's going to be a little thicker and more durable than 100-pound. I've seen obituaries printed with a gloss cover for the cover pages and then 100-pound gloss for the inside, and then they're put together like a book. And it's really up to you and your budget. So like if you want to put up a little bit more money to make something that looks a little bit more premium, then maybe you want to go with 100-pound gloss. If you want to go all out and get the best type of feel and material and the most long-lasting type of paper you can get, then you probably want to go with a gloss cover. All right, so if you got any more questions, you can leave them in the comments below. Appreciate y'all watching. Hope you have a good day.